AI is creating new opportunities every day. And the truth is, beginners can start right now. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 simple AI side hustle ideas which you can start this week even with no experience. These are real side hustles that can turn into an online business if you stick with it long enough. So this can help you to, become financially free, create the life that you want. And with the rise of AI right now, this is the best time to start an AI side hustle. So let me get straight into it and tell you all these 5. First up, we have AI content creation. So with tools like ChatGPT and Jasper, you're able to, write YouTube scripts. You can write blogs, and businesses are paying people to get this done for them. So this is the first opportunity you have. So you can become an AI content creator. So as an AI content creator, you can help businesses even with their social media to write social media posts. With AI, it's so much easier to do these things. So you would be the one that are doing these services for your clients, but with the help of the AI, you do these things even faster than before. So think of it like, for instance, if you're a social media manager, so you create the content for them, you post for them, you schedule their posts, you just make their content overall. So think about it. You can reach out to small businesses or whichever niche you're in right now. You can reach out to people that you know how to serve. Come up with a package for them. Let the AI help you with coming up with a package for them, package an offer, and then you can go out to businesses to pitch them. You can also use Fiverr and Upwork.com where you can set up an account and reach these businesses as well. You can also reach out to them on social media. There's so many ways. You can cold call, you can send emails. There's so many ways which you can reach your audience. So number 1, AI content creation. Second, AI powered social media management. Like, this is so similar to what I mentioned before, because as I was telling you previously, you can become a social media manager. And with the use of AI, it's so much easier to manage people's social media, to manage their content, to post their content, to schedule their content for them. So this is such a good idea to start with. And with this also, you can start a social media marketing agency with just the skills that you've learned by becoming a social media manager. So this is huge, and this is a big opportunity where you can position yourself as the authority. Reach out to the businesses, whatever niche you're in, whatever industry that you have ideas in, then you can become a manager to manage other people's. For instance, if you like cooking and you're interested in helping restaurants, to post their schedules. If you're in beauty and you want to help salons, whatever it is that you do, you can manage other people's social media. So you can position yourself, as that go-to persons that manage salons, that manage restaurants, that manage small businesses, whatever it is, you can do that. So what this does, it saves the businesses time. And that is the overall, that's the main thing. You're saving the businesses time while you earn money. Most of these business owners, they don't have time to be sitting on social media. They don't want to think about what type of content I can come up with. They just want to run their business. So if they can get people to come up with the ideas, to create the content, to post the content, to schedule the content, they would have more time to spend in the business to make money from the business. And that money, they will pay you for your services out of the time that you're able to save them. Third, we have AI graphic design. This is a perfect opportunity for people that are creative, that love to create graphics. AI makes it so much easier. And with the rise of Canva being, you can use AI in Canva now. So, Canva or even Journey, these two apps, you can use them to create graphics for businesses. You can create YouTube thumbnails, you can create logos for businesses, you can create their design and their social media post using these tools. As I said, Canva or Journey, you can use these tools to become a graphic designer with the use of AI. This makes it so much easier for you. And the same thing applies. You reach out to people, post on your social media, find your clients, and they will be happy to pay you to do graphic design for them, because graphic design is in high demand and AI makes it easier than ever to create a design or to do graphics. So consider this one: AI graphic design. Fourth, we have creating digital products with AI. I can tell you now, this is my favorite side hustle. I feel like this is the easiest one to do. This is the one that will, generate the most income for you, because you set it and forget it. If you create a digital product one time, you can sell it over and over and over again without even touching it. Because once it is that you create it once, it can sell forever. You don't need to ship anything. You don't need to have any a big audience either. Whatever skills or knowledge that you have right now, it can turn into a digital product. And if you don't have any of that, what you could do is to ask the AI whatever problems you can solve. Think about problems that people have right now that you can solve for them. You can be the go-to person that has their solution, because once you become a problem solver, it's so easy to make money online. So digital products, that's a great one. So you can use the AI to write ebooks, to create a course, to do, mini templates. So for instance, if you already have a business, you're a business owner, or you know how to do something that can help somebody get from A to Z, then you can create a digital product around what you already know, the things that you already know how to do, and then you sell them to the audience that you currently have. So if you're a business owner already and you're on social media, and if you even sell physical products now, you can add digital products to it and generate more income by just adding digital products. And fifth, AI automations. So you can use this for small businesses, because small businesses waste hours on repetitive tasks. So if you can use tools like Zapier or even ChatGPT automations to save them time, and then you can charge them just to set it up. So, for example, in your customer service part of your business, or if a business need help, in the customer service area, where you can use chatbots to automate all the response. For instance, if their customers have any concerns and they reach out, you can put the AI in place to answer questions, to reply to DMs, to reply to emails. You can set up the AI in the business so that the business saves more time. So without you having human beings to put them in or to answer the emails, it's more efficient to use the AI to automate these things. So businesses are willing to pay people that know how to put these systems into their business and make it work for them to save them time and money, and they'll pay you thousands for this. Now, I've just given you 5 ideas, but I've put together a beginner friendly 10 AI side hustles that you can start this week. So this is a guide where you can get started with if you're not sure where to start. I've linked it down in the description box below. Grab it now. So here's the thing. I don't want you to just watch this video. I want you to take action today. I'm serious. Like, with this AI revolution that we're currently in, this is the best time to get started. for the future that you've always dreamed of, for the life that you want. The opportunities right now are life changes. So, what I want you to do is to subscribe to this channel so that you never miss a video that I post on the AI business tips that I will be giving you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.